Introducing the Sona Pillow, an affordable, non-surgical, non-prescription, FDA-cleared and clinically tested pillow so revolutionary that it's guaranteed to stop or reduce snoring and mild sleep apnea.
Chuck is a snorer.
Well, she tells me I do.
Snoring is unbearable. It's very loud. I'm upset because it affects me.
I mean, it's bad.
Snoring is caused by the tongue and soft tissues in the back of the throat relaxing, narrowing the airway and vibrating during sleep, especially when sleeping on the back, just like the surgical tubing in this anatomical model demonstrates. But look, when the model is placed on the Sona pillow, the snoring stops.
No snoring.
Amazing!
It works. We're a husband and wife again. We're not just two partners in a household.
The Sona Pillow's patented shape comfortably positions your body for right or left side sleeping and prevents you from rolling onto your back. Its sloping sides position your head at the perfect angle to keep your airway open with no snoring guaranteed.
One of the things that benefits greatly is positional therapy. The shape of the Sona Pillow has really found to be a good benefit for snorers.
We're not giving our pillow up. I'm sorry, we're not giving our Sona Pillow up.
The Sona Pillow has been clinically proven to work and has already helped thousands of users and their partners to enjoy a more restorative night's sleep.